Hello guys, this is Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I'm excited to bring you these super original spark plugs. These are Iridium spark plugs original. So I'm going to show you how we test original spark plugs and genuine. Okay, so remember to always go for genuine parts from us. Okay, or inquire from us. So what I'm holding here, these are the spark plug. I'd shown you a video on how to know original and fake spark plug. Remember to watch out that video. Okay. Yeah, so what I'm holding, these are original. I'm going to turn my voltmeter to the resistance. Okay, so first we'll be checking on a resistance for this. Okay, so we'll be putting on the tip that like that, and we see this has a resistance of 1460. Okay, that's the resistance for this first spark plug. We also have this other spark plug. Based on our research, these are the most recommended spark plugs that we use. They are very genuine. So I'm going to test this other spark plug, and you can see the resistance is almost the same. Okay, very close. So I'm going to test all the other spark plug in this video. Make sure you watch out. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.